When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, many businesses wonder, Intercom versus LiveAgent, which one truly stands out? Well, after testing both of these platforms, we'll dive into their strengths, weaknesses, and what might make one a better fit for your business. First, let's talk about ease of use. Intercom is widely praised for its intuitive interface. It's user-friendly, and most people get the hang of it fairly quickly, but that doesn't mean it's perfect. Some users report that as you dive deeper into its features, things can get more complex, especially if you're trying to use all its advanced features. On the other hand, LiveAgent's interface is a bit more cluttered, but it offers a wealth of customization options right out of the gate. It's not as slick as Intercom, but it has a lot more flexibility. Next thing, let's touch on features. Both Intercom and LiveAgent offer standard help desk tools like ticket management, live chat, and email integration. Intercom, however, shines with its automated workflows and messaging capabilities, allowing you to engage with customers in a more personalized, automated way. That's great for scaling. But it's worth noting that some of these advanced features are locked behind higher pricing tiers, so it's not all accessible to the average user. LiveAgent does offer automation, but it's not quite as robust as Intercom's. What it does offer, though, is a lot of out-of-the-box integrations, so if you're running on a variety of platforms, this could save you some time. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Intercom's pricing model can get quite expensive, especially if you need access to more than just the basics. It's built for larger teams and enterprises, so you'll need to budget accordingly. LiveAgent, however, is generally more affordable, especially for smaller businesses or startups. It offers a solid feature set at a lower price point, which can be a real advantage if you're working with a tighter budget. Now let's talk about customer support, because that's what these tools are supposed to help you with in the first place, right? Both platforms do offer solid customer support, but the user experience can differ. Intercom's support is highly rated, and their resources are extensive, but it can take longer to get help compared to LiveAgent. LiveAgent support, on the other hand, tends to be faster and more responsive, with a variety of ways to get in touch, including phone support, which isn't always available with Intercom. Moving on to the integrations. If you're a business that relies on a variety of tools, this is key. Intercom has a more premium feel with integrations into higher-end CRMs and marketing tools like Salesforce, Shopify, and HubSpot, which is great for growing companies with complex needs. LiveAgent offers solid integrations too, but its range is broader with more apps available at no additional cost, making it a better fit for businesses looking to stay cost-efficient while still being connected. So, after testing these platforms myself, it's clear that both Intercom and LiveAgent offer strong, reliable solutions for help desk support. But if your goal is to get the best value and scalability without breaking the bank, there's another platform worth considering. While both of these tools have their merits, if you want an even better alternative that offers an unbeatable free trial and exclusive benefits for our viewers, check out the link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get access to a top-tier help desk solution with even more flexibility, and best of all, it's free to try.